Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. Tuesday, September the 12th. These are the charts of the day. Well, it was a really bad finish on Wall Street, and so we're not sure where the market's headed at this point, kind of at the crossroads. But in looking at the dozen or so stocks we're going to look at today, take a look at AFRM, which has a beautiful base built over the last 8 or 9 months, particularly the double top that was taken out recently. I was very close to pulling the trigger on this one as a swing, but I decided not to. Nevertheless, it's gone through 20. They had 24.35 today before selling back to 23.86, but it looks like it can extend to 28.31. ARRY as a solar group awakened today. This has been long in the tooth in terms of a one-year base pattern, but boy, it looks like it's coming out of it. And even though it popped and pulled back, it's really had a nice spike of $1.59 or about just under 7% today. I think the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th wave is coming. Should take it to 30. Up next is CABA, which broke out a week ago and pulled back, and now it's moving back out again. It went through a little mini double top. My target now 20. Casy, big earnings report, I believe it was today. The stock exploded from 269.90, about let's call it 270 to 250. I'm sorry, 230 to 269, finishing at 265. That was up a whopping 25.75 today. It broke out of a massive base into a new all-time high. More of a long-term rising channel pattern. Take a look. I don't know if it has that ability to get that far up, but the way it's looking at this point, I can see mid-channel target at around 300. CGNT, former swinger bars from here, then spent a few months coiling. Today was a big pop for it, really big. It was a day trade for us as well. It went from a low of 481 to 591, finished right at the high for the day going away. It was up $1.29. The volume was 2.3 million, and when it closed like that, I think the stock's headed to 7.25.5. CRNX with a big breakaway pop yesterday. Today was a beautiful follow through as it settled from 25.61 to 31 and finished 30.70 up 4.62, almost 18% today on 11.3 million. I think the stock has broken out cleanly and it wants to move into the mid to high 30s. Up next, Fngr, which has been one of our best plays this year with a swing here and here and again there. And this one's gone from the pullback low recently of 396 to today's high at almost 8 at 790, closing out the high for the day going away up $1.05, 15%. As volume vaulted to 3.2 million. It's the biggest volume we've seen all year, and it goes back a year. So it might extend. My targets in the 9 3/4 10 zone is still in play. Breakout on IONS today, breaking through a triple quadruple top with a pop from 41.26 to 44.30. Finished 43.51 up 222 or 5.4%. My target's now 46.5 from 49.5. LFMD looks like this one's coming out of a nice multi-month coil, but it did back off late in the day, so we'll have to see if it does extend. My targets are 5 3/4 and 7. Lee Automotive, well, it's coiling nicely. It was up just a little today, but it was a minor breakout above the moving averages. I'm looking to see if this can extend. My targets right now are 43.5 and 46. MTRX popped out of a 2-week flag. The breakaway pop on volume of 653,000, which is the biggest volume we've seen in this stock in a year and a half. So coming up towards resistance at 952, that's our short-term target. And look at the multiple tops in here. Gets to that level, we'll probably be looking at a move that takes us around 11 3/4. And came out of a base, popped and coiled, and today it popped at coil. My extension target is 6.5. Rig, long 2-month consolidation, popped out today, and now my target's 10.25, 12, and 14. And finally, USO, as the oil continued to move higher, popped another $1.31 today. Just a small percentage gain, and there is resistance above. By now, it looks to me like an $84 $5 target should be had. And that's it for the charts of the day video tonight. Have a great evening.